Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. As a reminder to everyone joining and listening, this live stream and everything that I say in this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's already looking like a nice and lovely choppy freaking day. Are you kidding me? What's up, guys? Good morning. Live trading and team bowl. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello. How do I get started? You're in the best place to get started, my friend. You found the best community to get started with for free game. Premium live trading link is up. Let's go, guys. What's good? Hey. Artif Patel, Kazi Mode. What's good, guys? What's up, Brad, Gronny, Trader Stan, Kayla, MMT, Creator, Cynthia, Brian, Roger that, Hangman, Jorge, The Beginnings. Do you teach for absolute beginners that don't know anything, or do you have to know a little bit? I mean, you can learn not knowing anything. You'll learn a lot, and you'll learn a lot fast, but the more you learn, the more simple it'll seem. I did this week film the start of our new free beginner course, and I'm talking this is the most beginner it gets. So we're looking to have that, fixing to have that up here soon, at least bits and pieces of it. Yeah, no, we're not pinning comments for $2 again. Don't think you guys are gonna start that again. No. People were pinning the funniest stuff yesterday. Like $2, Jdun, I love you. Jdun, I brokered my rules. It reminded me of The Longest Yard when the big dude's like, I brokered your toy. Oh. I brokered your toy. Good morning, everybody in Team Bowl. The team of the Bulls for life and for the pursuit of greatness and happiness. What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning. Yep, if you're in premium, yep, you guys DM me, bro. Dun, 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 dun. We are taking 10 students tomorrow. If you are in Team Bull, you can come trade with me tomorrow live in person. You want to come out tomorrow? Come on, Tyler. Come on. Guys, it's not looking great so far. You guys see this market, pre-market? It's not looking great so far. What in the heck is this? We're going to knock on wood. We're going to say, market and all that is good with the market and all that is great, please don't give us a day of chop. Oh, thank you guys. Do you think you're better off alone? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome in. Don't. You guys all have a good night's sleep? Order filled. Order filled. Who's trading already today? Good day in Sweden is 3 p.m. That's awesome. In Sweden. You guys see Russell Westbrook retired yesterday? Russell Westbrook said, I am out of the game of basketball. Kind of dope. I was sitting courtside, and he was literally right there. He was fun to listen to. You could tell he was 100% hooper. He was 100% hooper, man. One of the greatest players with no ring, right? Allen Iverson, too, and Carmelo. Carmelo Anthony, too. They got close with the Nuggets a few times, but that me and that boy Russ. Me and that man Russ were chilling, talking about trading and stuff. I said, you got to get on this DOD. And he's like, I got you, my boy. I said, bet. And he said, bet. And then he went out and dunked the ball. To be honest, none of that happened, but I did sit very close to him courtside and got to listen to him talk. And it's pretty cool sitting on. It's that close to courtside. You can hear all of them talk. They talk to you. It was fun. This is not. I'm 6'7". I'm a big boy. I got a big wingspan. I can't fit it all in here. You can see though. Got some long arms. Can I do analysis? I don't trade Forex, bro. Rufus in the morning, we're vibing. You know what it is. I like Rufus a lot. He's a vibe. Guys, the place I went and looked at yesterday was no go. Oh yeah, Devin, I didn't tell you. I didn't like it.
Really?
No.
On to the next.
Yep.
Specifically or just not?
It was way too expensive for what they were asking for in terms of price per square foot. Ceilings weren't as high as I wanted because I want to put a basketball hoop in there. I would have gotten past that if everything else was in line. Our main entrance was on the second floor. Want first floor. Have to have a lot of demo.
Yeah, it's just not a vibe.
Like it would have had to have had a lot. It was modern, but there was so much office space that all would have had to have been taken out. Like there's a million different offices, and it's like I don't need a million different offices.
Right.
Like small offices, you know?
Yeah. Not necessary.
Find an empty lot we can develop. All right. Probably better money in that. I'm down. I'll look for the lot. Let's build it. Let's do it. Done for the day. I'm trying to dunk. I love basketball. I love basketball and I love football. And honestly, low key, I love hockey too. High key. Hockey is my favorite sport to watch in person. Got my candle lit. Candles lit up. I'm not going to spill my coffee today. Not going to send that flying. My friend is new to this. She's in your live. She wants to learn, and no one is better than Jdun. Hey, I appreciate you, Roxy, and to Roxy's friend, welcome. I will do my absolute best to help you learn, level up, and win, and make more money trading every single day. You have my word. Yeah, we trade live in person on Fridays. You just have to be a part of Premium. Join Premium, and you can have access to that. What do you think about Russell retiring, Big Zo? Crazy. I know all the hate, too. All these people are hating on Russ like they hate on LeBron, man. It's unacceptable. There will be no Russell Westbrook hate accepted today. Immediate hammer. The hate will not be tolerated. Zero tolerance. Everyone loves him now, but they were just hating him. You know, I could see people liked he was at some points, very electric player. So people love to hate on greatness. If they're hating on you, you know you're doing something good. So I guess it says something good about him, right? Regular season Harden, superstar. Playoff Harden. Gone. How would you approach passing the 25K lucid flex? It depends. You guys ask me this a lot, and I don't say this in a rude or arrogant way, but you know, it really depends on how passing evals really depends on where you're at in your trading, because you could say, how would I go about it? Well, I would probably use max size and follow my system and pass it, you know, in 1, 2, or 3 attempts. I mean, the lucids I have now is on my first attempt, but let's say I would have failed those. I knew that statistically speaking, I could pass them with a lot of size with not many attempts. Well, on the flip side, if you aren't a great trader yet, which is fine, you're still learning or you're still dialing in your system, then you shouldn't be using full size or shouldn't be using a lot of minis or whatever your max allocation is, because you're going to waste your money over and over. Also, what's up with this freaking chop pre-market? It's starting to move a little bit, but it's just been very choppy. Yesterday was very, very choppy. Don't. We got 20 more minutes until open, everybody. 20 more minutes until this party gets started. Kind of a poor man, Steven. It's for words in my head. Let's see here. What I really am. Does this work? Does what work? Nickelback always brings me back to those early 2000s where everything wasn't so complicated. Those were the days, man. I swear. Social media wasn't as crazy. New facility needs a killer coffee bar and meat freezer priorities. Absolutely. I 100% agree. 100% agree. Meat facility. Meat storage, and in addition to that, coffee bar for sure. No doubt. No doubt. When is the next BullCon? I'm kind of thinking more towards the wintertime, like November. No, don't know. Good morning, J Money. What's up, my boy? What's good, everybody? Good morning, Jdun. First time welcome in, Gordon. Let's go. What's up, my man? Welcome in. Hopefully, we can get some action, some positive market conditions. I don't know what yesterday was. We caught one tiny winner, but it's not looking great so far. Pre-market today. We will start going over our plan and our data and such in just a few minutes, and we will make a plan for the day. Well, I think we're gonna make it probably in Vegas or something. Jdun, your orb masterclass video from a year is straight fire. Let's go. I hope you guys all watch my new video as well. There's a lot of value in that new hour-long masterclass. I'm messing with. Oh. I'm messing with Brandon. Brandon. I think I'm funny sometimes. I went in if I went in Brandon's chat, I said I sent a super chat, the dumb money thing that people were doing to me yesterday. And I said, congrats on coming out as the first gay admin in Team Pool. We all love you and are so proud. I think I'm funny sometimes. Just came in to say thank you on my third cash out with Fun and Futures family. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I got the fresh cut. Got the high and tight. Got the fade. Got the fade going on. All right. The high, that's what it's called in Denver, the high and tight. All right, guys. So for the day today, let's start out by talking about what data we have and potential setups for the day so you guys come in prepared and ready. So today we had PPI this morning, which is very surprising because we didn't see a lick of movement. So that being said, we have no more data for today. And if we also look, let's turn this into the 15-minute chart so we can see it more condensed. What do you guys notice about this morning so far? What can you guys tell me about what we're seeing so far between London and now in pre-market? This is the 15-minute chart. We don't have any significant movement. We have a slight amount of movement in this last candle, but we are still in this range. The high of the session here, the low of the session. We have been chopping in less than 100 points of entire range, and about 100 points of range in this entire overnight session. So when we see this slow range that we were stuck in all day yesterday, look at that, guys. Pre-market, same as the ranges yesterday. We are going to be very cautious today with our risk. We're still stuck in this range. If we go back even further, we go to the daily chart. Where are we stuck in? That same daily range that we were stuck in prior. All of this chop right here, we're stuck in the chop again. What's up, Grizzly Glock? How you doing? Just hoping this market isn't going to chop again. You what? I know, me too. And if we don't, the best part about this is that if we don't have a good day to lose our trades, it is all your fault. Yep. Yesterday was bad. I ended up catching that. Yeah, I seen that you took those shorts for 20%. It went. We got like 30, 40 points off it, which isn't crazy, but you know, it's fine. It's all right. So nothing crazy there, but worked out all right. And got so fun. What do you say about resistance? I'd still love to see us break that 30,000. On the daily chart, it looks great. If we can finally break that 30,000 up here, had that aggressive push up, coiling consolidation, break above this resistance here, and then bang, move. That should give us a really nice, simple trade when we can get it. Not if we can get it, when we get it. That's it. All right. We can make that happen. We can make an hour workday happen. Legs was yesterday, so probably some arms. It's a, nice. Fire. TRX? We're gonna be enemies then, man. I'm on Raptor R. You should. Even though the Raptor R is the GOAT. I love my truck, man. There's nothing better than having a truck. Yup. Jdun, you may be a trading guru, but your words and style are the best in the business. Hey, I'm a good guru. I come in, I don't preach get rich quick. I preach trading smart, trading safe, staying focused, and choosing DOD. Come on. Only thing better than having one truck is two. You like your trucks. All right, let's see here. We got about 4 minutes till open, everybody. 4 minutes until market open. As a reminder, hope you guys are all trading smart, trading safe, staying focused. And if you need a prop firm account or want to get funded, you can go to teambull.com to compare firms and find your best fit. You got some great deals. We got Apex at 90% off, Lucid at 30% off. Love those new Lucid dailies. Tradeify at 40% off. Love this Tradeify Select accounts. The Funded Futures family at 40 to 80% off. Love their 50K premieres. Funded Next. The Rapids are cool. And all of our partners, you get the best discount with code Jdun. Anyone got a Chevy in here? My grandma loves Chevys. If I wasn't already max funded with Lucid, I would go and get some of their dailies for sure. No doubt. For sure. I was on there before I found you, Jdun. Well, hopefully, can help to get you right. Greg, prayer this morning. Greg, of course, we're having our morning prayer every single day, about 2 days before open. Thank you guys so much for being here. We have another beautiful trading day ahead of us, guys. And now I would love to get us started for this market open in 2 minutes with a nice morning prayer, blessing this live for each and every one of you incredible people. So, Heavenly Father, thank you so much for the gift of another morning and the opportunity for us to be here together. Please guide our thoughts, interactions today. We pray for health, happiness, and peace for everyone here, friends, family, and loved ones. We pray for clarity when things get tough, when things seem confusing. We pray for the strength of having discipline. We pray for the strength of protecting us from greed and impulse and all the bad decisions that dark forces may pull us to. But God, we know we have you on our side. We are blessed. We are focused. And Father, please bless this live stream, everyone being here to build a better future for themselves, for their families, for their loved ones. And may you protect us and reign over us with health, happiness, love, prosperity, and a bright day and a bright future. And in God's name we pray for this beautiful day and everyone here in our community. Amen. Let's get it. Let's get it. We are blessed, we are protected, and we are ready to kill it today. Let's go, everyone. Let's get it. Let's get it. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's go. God bless each and every one of you guys being here. Let's make today a nice day for us all. Let's make today a great day for us all. We got price aggressively pushing down off the open. I'm almost 120% going to wait for the first 15. I almost always do. But especially now with how choppy it was pre-market. My main watch today is if we can finally break above that 30,000. That's what I want to see. Or if we get some sort of like orb setup above pre-market high and 15-minute high, I'd love to see that push up, retest, and go. We will be trading live at the office tomorrow, obviously on the internet as well. You guys remember how well last week went. And give me a reminder whenever we trade live at the office with students there, live on the internet live streams too. How many losing days have we had ever in the last 2 years? How many losing days? 0. I come in, we milk the cow right, we milk the cow left, and we get ourselves hydrated with some stock market milk. 0 losing days, baby. I'm not planning on starting tomorrow either. Tell you all that. I ain't planning on starting tomorrow either. No way, no how. No way, no how. New Team Ball HQ is in your IG messages. All right, I'll check that later. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate you guys all being here, choosing DOD and taking one step forward in your trading today. It's very easy to get caught up in your past week, month, year, or decade of losses, but all you can do is focus on the now, not to go Tony Robbins on you, but focus on the now, improve your trading today, and be that version of the trader that you want to be. You know, a lot of you guys want to make more money trading. That's why a majority of you guys are here. Well, then you need to start acting like that profitable trader. Have that mindset. Manage your risk like the trader you want to be. Those daily habits and how you present yourself and how you operate is what ultimately will decide your trading success or your trading downfall. So your job is to be that trader that you strive to be. You do that, you'll be in good shape. And as always, too, you can go compare prop firms and find the best funding fit for you at teambull.com. I appreciate you guys checking that out, teambull.com. A ton of value there in terms of finding which partner firms are best, what is best for you. We got some great deals in the prop space. I made a website just for you guys to go compare all of our partner firms and find the best fit for you. Compare prop firms at teambull.com. I've seen a lot of positive feedback on the website so far. What's up, Gene? Thanks, bro. We're inside that range from yesterday. I know. Please, honestly, even if we don't get a trade today, let's say that we get the biggest move ever and don't get a trade. As long as we break this range and get some good opportunity for the rest of the week, I'm down. Damn, I've seen someone in Post Your Gains that got 18 times 2, $36,000 in payouts approved from Apex. That's awesome. Okay, this is a good sign, guys. We like to see this. This is a good sign. Kid, you're at the right place. Yep, you're in the right place to learn. That's facts. Check, check, check. Should have sound. Let's see what we get here, guys. Where's our... Oh, I don't have Asia levels on here yet. Whoops. Guess I'll go to my Grizzology and I will change that. I was like, why is it not? I was like, no way we went up there pre-market. All right. Yeah, this will be interesting to see how we react at 30,000. I would love to see a nice uptrend above 30,000 today. That would be my favorite setup. Locked in. As a reminder, if you're in Colorado and you want to come trade with me live in person tomorrow, we have C9. Yes, you're in. So 2-0. 8. 7. 6. Yeah, we're gonna have a packed house tomorrow. This actually is looking good. This is a great sign, everybody. It's a great sign. We're getting push up. This is a great, great, great sign. This is a great, great sign, everybody. If we get higher volume on the second candle than the first, that would actually be crazy. We got pay done activated too. I'm going to do my best not to spill the freaking coffee today. How embarrassing was that? Hang on, guys. I got to go clean this freaking coffee. I spilled my pay done juice. We might get higher volume. It's going to be close. Probably not quite, but it's going to be very, very close. No, I'm not spilling my coffee today. So reminder, guys, we got Apex at 90% off. I love their 50K Trade-Evade end-of-day accounts. Their intradays can be a bit cheaper, but end of day is going to give you the best probability of payout. You can use code Jdun for 90% off. Trade up to 20 accounts at a time, though a lot of you guys have not earned that right, so you probably shouldn't be doing that. Scott 5 with code Jdun. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate all you guys being here, trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. All right, guys, if you're on the free streams, as a reminder, if you're on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. I trade live every single day. Every win, loss, or draw is live for you guys to learn from. No get-rich-quick BS. Try to keep it as simple as possible, and all I ask in return is you guys tap in, hit that like button. If you guys get this to 110K likes, good things happen. I got prop from accounts that need to find homes. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Hit that follow button in the top left corner, and remember, I'd love to see some of you guys come on over to the YouTube. It's Jdun Trades. I'm live at the same exact time with a full screen share on YouTube. Jdun Trades. I have a free course there, lots of free videos, tons of genuinely free game for you guys. I come on, give out every single day, and do my best to help you. So I appreciate your guys' support. I do my best to give you guys as much free value as I possibly can, and appreciate y'all tapping into the YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. If you want a better full screen live. Let's get it. Let's go, everybody. Let's find ourselves a banger. Let's find ourselves a heat-seeking missile of a trade. Damn, you're in Greeley. Am I allowed to say something that's could be considered rude, but kind of funny? Freaking Cowtown. Sounds like freaking manure there, my boy. That place is stinky, man. Greeley? A few times. Bo said he's from Greeley. Gene will be at the office tomorrow, too. Yes. Yeah. Yo, Couch, I want to join tomorrow. All right, so we closed at 30,000. I was really hoping we might have higher volume on this. It's in the 15-minute range. It's low here, 35. There's just a lot of risk. We'd even try a higher risk bounce like this. 30,000 could be it. I don't think it looks bad for a bounce in here. There's a good chance we come down, move, and then continue up. I would just rather see our 15-minute range close first. I already got a freaking pee like a racehorse. All right, Burrito Bandit, Mr. Gene himself is going to come say hi early. What's good? What? Hello. I'm not sure.
Hello, hello, hello. What are you guys doing? He is going for a secret trade. Better watch out. Back at this 30,000.
Hello, Mr. Gene.
Something.
See any shirts you like?
Yeah.
You like the longs? You like the shorts? Risky business. Could probably focus and trade better after the frat jam off. No, I can't trade in silence. I'll have Metallica on here in a little bit, though. Genuinely down, trying to adopt your DoD approach. Thank you. You're welcome, bro. I'm glad DoD is helping change your life. And that 30,000 is going to be it. We got our 15-minute range in. All right, this could be the start of a very large trend day if we confirm here, guys. This is very important. Let me go ahead and clean this up. This could be the start of a very nice trend day if we confirm here. Let's see, guys. Damn, that 30,000 bounce is absolutely nuking. There's just so much freaking risk on that. This will be the ultimate, one of the ultimate orb tests if we can hold this above this 30,000, everybody. Lullabies. Our 15-minute range is set, my discipline-based traders. Thank you. It's scenario time. If we hold this 30,000 strong, I am as bullish as can be. Would love to see us confirm on this 5-minute with higher volume and retest for longs around the 30,000 to 30,050 area. The only time I look for reversal or shorts is if we get a solid reversal candle at a key level or fail this 15-minute range and 30,000. Trading smart, trading safe, choosing DOD. If we get this close here, guys, I will try a pullback to 15-minute high area for longs. Yep, I will 100% try it. I am absolutely, this is a setup where if we close here, come down, and even if I enter here and I get slaughtered immediately and I'm moving 5 seconds down here, I would take that same exact setup tomorrow and the next day. That's how high probability it is. I just like to say that for worst case scenario, even if it stopped out immediately, I would try it again. That's a candle. That's a trend-setting candle. So now look on the daily chart here. We're seeing, if you're on the right, this breakout's coming. So getting this breakout finally, hopefully it's not a false breakout. We can retest here and go. That would be free money. Yeah, I'll probably start it. Honestly, I'll probably just trade micros and start it around like 70 and add into like 50. Yeah. And there's a little more risk there points wise, but that is a BBC right there. That is a BBC that if I can, I'm taking the whole thing. We go down the big body candle. We got the volume confirming. We get to the 50% retracement about halfway down. We look for the retest right here. And I'd like to see us come down, test in here, and then continuation off the big body candle. That's what ideally I'd like to see happen. The longs and paying. Yeah, they are. I'd like to see a retest. I'll be in. Let's see. Come on. I'd like to see us come down and find this higher low. I will start at probably around 70. It's higher risk, though. You want less risk but potential to miss the trade. Then look at 50 area. You're willing to put in a little more risk, 70 area. Dun, dun, dun. Down $500 already. How's that? Ton of makings me. Here's a question. When you expect a pullback, why not trade it? Trade it, the reverse it, hit both sides, because you're thinking at that point, I'd like a pullback, but you don't have any systematic approach that tells you that you'll get it. Dun, 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 dun. What is the indicator? It's called the Grisology. It maps levels. So, guys, looking at this chart too, if we take our overall Fibonacci retracement tool from low to high, puts our 50% retracement right around this 30,000. So I am bullish today. As long as we're holding anywhere up in this zone, I like upside. Now, your job is to choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, follow your plan, keep it simple, and execute when the setup comes. That's it. That's what gets you paid every single day. Keeps your losses small and your wins big. You're a day trader, not a take every trade trader, not a trade every day trader. Very important to remember those aspects, guys. How I trade is very boring inherently, but I mean, for those of you that have been coming for a month or 2 months, 3 months or 4 months or a year, 2 years or 3 years, you see the benefits of it. You see your accounts grow. You see your losses become less. That is an anomaly right here. I don't love this, but I'm still going to watch and take this pullback if we move down. That is a very odd candle. Hey, I see we got some negative Nancy's in the YouTube chat. I just want to say to everyone hating, I love you. I hope that you have the ability to stay patient. You take our prayer from this morning and abide by it and be blessed by it. And I hope you have a great trading day and are able to follow your plan and make more money and keep more money. God bless. Let's kill it, baby. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's make some money. Got the Jdun sauce, the Jdun juice. I'm going to watch for the 7250 area for the longs, guys. I am willing to start my Thursday red if that's the case. I will start a light size around 70. I'd rather see 50, but I think there's a good chance we don't quite get there. 55 is the better area. 50 to 55. Even the beard. Even the beard, bro. The only road I've ever traded. Stops below 30,000. Yep. So definitely a bit more point risk on that first ad. Ideally, it'd be closer to 50. No news today either. Nope. Bad thing about props is making too much for consistency. Oh, first day, but I'm at 120%, 1,800 more in the Lucid Pro. Yeah, that's the only problem with consistency. That's why I tell you guys, one of my favorite accounts for beginners is that FFF 50K Premier. There's no consistency on eval or funded. On either. So they're very good beginner accounts if you're not profitable with prop firms yet. If you haven't had the consistent payouts you'd like, I think the 50K FF Premier is definitely an account that you want to have in your arsenal. Fax just qualified for my first payout ever. Nice. I was hoping we'd really get a pullback. We didn't even get 100. They didn't even give us a chance to go to 30,000, 100. I do think we're going to get a nice trading day today, though. I do. I'm a little bummed that this first test above 30,000 was in the first 15 minutes. I'm very bummed about that, as a matter of fact. Maybe a 2-bar. We take a 2-bar. I'd settle for a 2-bar. Name of prop from the beginner friendly one is the Funded Futures family. Money whizzing by. I mean, that's how you look at it. You can look at every move up or down in every stock and say money's just whizzing by and you're not taking it. Or you can look at it and say you haven't had no A+ setups yet, so you're just waiting. It's like a basketball player. Every second they're on the court, they get the ball and they're on their side of the basket. You could launch a full court shot because there is a shot to take, but why? Why wouldn't you dribble up the court, stay patient, and wait for the good shot? You got 30 seconds left on the shot clock. You're down by 2. You're not going to go take the first shot you get. You're going to wait for the best shot. You're going to play strategically. It's the same thing with trading. Exact same thing with trading. Yeah, there's been no real retests yet. Terrible retests. Going up and lowering volume. We'll see how the new potential space was a no-go. New potential space was a no-go, unfortunately. I don't think it's going to be the one. Not going to be the one, unfortunately. As a reminder, if you're on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all tapping in and checking out my You to the Tube. I'm simultaneously live there as well. You to the Tube. Jdun Trades. Come tap in. If you're already on the You to the Tube, I appreciate you guys being here, hitting that sub. Have you guys taken any trades yet? Anyone in chat taking any trades? You guys been brave to long this upside? Not I, Preme says. Nice. Nope, we did. And scalping it nice. I actually thought that 30K retest here looked decent. We were just in the first, the very start of the day. Previous day high here. Didn't look bad. But it was just at the very start of the day, so. Don't. Hopefully we didn't just get a push and now we just consolidate. Still do 30K bounce early. It's all right. Wait for the next good one, baby. You got it. You got it, my boy. Powerball ticket sold in Illinois wins $1 billion. Damn. Don't give Nasdaq any ideas. I know. Staying patient and just waiting. I tell you guys that probably 100 times a stream. To stay patient, wait, not blow yourself up. Make sure you guys know how much size you're going to use today. What your plan is. Would you take payments or the whole billion? I'd take, well, you get less if you take lump sum, but I'd take lump sum for sure. Just invest the money. Another anomaly. Yep. This is very odd too. So this is not a 2-bar. Why is this not a 2-bar? Yes, we're moving up. Yes, the candle's green. And yes, we have higher volume, but we have very small body wick, and it's a smaller body overall candle in size than the previous. Lower volume, more body, less body, more volume. So for me, that doesn't scream reversal, but it also says, hey, be cautious. We might be seeing a pullback coming. That's an LBC, a little body candle. And don't get twisted. Little body candles matter too. They can carry some significance to them sometimes, but for me, I'd rather see the pullback and retest. We'll see what we get. Yeah, let's go check on ES too. Sometimes that's nice to check on. Sometimes we get something decent with ES. You know, ES actually is showing a 2-bar. ES is actually semi-clean today. We didn't quite get the 50% retracement or the orb. But 2-bar, if you're looking at my full screen share on the right, the entry would be at like 823 with stops at 819. That's how you'd want to trade that. If you were trading ES, I prefer trading the NASDAQ, but for ES traders, that 723 could be valid for a 2-bar. You just have to have stops at like 719. So if you're watching on the right side of my screen, this is what you'd want to see on the NASDAQ too. This 2-bar entry is at 723-ish right here. Your stops, it will look like this. Targeting the highs. Yep, that's on ES. If you're on the TikTok, you can't see it. You gotta go over to my U to the tube. My U to the tube. Jdun trades. You get full screen share. You can't see the other screen on here. You get full screen share there. It's great. I'm simultaneously live. I'm live on both. Appreciate you guys that are on the U to the tube hitting that subscribe. Make sure you guys tap into to Jdun Trades and to Team Bull. That's the best place to learn is in Team Bull Premium. You have no lag and no delay. You get access to Jared Tendler, our beautiful community of people. No drama. Good talks. Good community. Premium is the best place to be always. So let's get it. Come on. Another BS candle. Yep, this is odd. Yeah, we might rest and push up. It's possible. Two accounts funded this morning. Let's go. Nice. That's awesome. Congrats. Maybe this will give us a 2-bar. The ES one's paying out 724 to or 824, excuse me. 824 to 828 now. It's at like 1-to-1. So even for what's up? Yep. I'd even take a higher risk, like a little less of a pullback. There's just been nothing. Yep. So for what it's worth, if you're wondering what a 2-bar is, this is exactly what it is on ES. That's what you're seeing. When you see price have an aggressive candle up, 50% retracement of that candle. Enter here, stops below the trend setting candle low. And ideally you go test high a day. So that's like a 1.3 hour trade right there. That's what you're looking for. A lot of times, in general, that's why the 50% retracement is so accurate. A lot of times you see that 50% bounce, buyers step in, then move up. So just for what it's worth for you guys in the future to be able to watch and learn from. It works out quite a bit on aggressive trend days. Works out quite a bit on aggressive trend days. Jdun, your advice and teaching really hit today. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Captain Kirk. Thank you for that ES call out. Just made $100. Nice. It was, didn't take it myself, but glad you can learn something from it. Little riskier of a setup with the 2-bar, but it can pay. It can be good. It can be good for sure. I'd love to see a nice pullback too. Not getting it yet, but I'd like to see it. 15-minute chart's not giving us much either. Not giving us much to work with. No trade, waiting. No trade is a position, guys. Cash is a position. It's important to remember. You should not be in a rush to catch every move up. Like, yeah, we've seen a big move up today. Who cares if you haven't caught any of it? It's not going to be the last time we ever move up in a day. Just like when we have aggressive downtrends, it's not going to be the last time we ever move down. It's easy to get caught in that mindset in the moment, but I promise you that's, well, for one, it's just simply not the case. But for two, that mindset is hurting your trading more than it's helping it. We have Take Profit Trader at 40% off and no activation fee. If you guys are going to get funded with Take Profit Trader, you can use code JDUN for 40% off and no activation fee. We just recently added them in the last 2 weeks. Use code JDUN. I appreciate you guys. You guys supporting me. Trading smart, trading safe. So this technically, you guys take a look at this candle. In terms of volume, we have higher volume and a push, but this is also significantly lower volume than all of these previous pushes here. For example, we look at the volume of these two candles. This candle is larger with less volume than this. So could you trade and try to catch a higher risk 2-bar here? I guess, but it doesn't look as good as, say, that ES one we looked at. I just don't love trading ES a lot, so I didn't participate. But hopefully you see that distinction of why this is a bit higher risk. You could take it at like 190s, stops at like 178, so there's not a ton of risk, like 15 points or so. But that's the risk there if you end up taking it. What do you guys think? You think this weak 2-bar ends up paying out? Is this a smash or a pass? Could be light. Yeah, we'll see. I'd rather see a more aggressive pullback, but we got the 190 to 195 area touch. Let's see if it ends up pushing. If it does work and you don't take it, you can at least learn from it and watch. Gain valuable experience. I'd rather see a bit more confirmation too. I agree. Damn, look at that. Mind you, it's not up huge. But say you did take this, the risk on this trend setting candle was down to like 175. It's like 1-to-1. Nothing crazy. Wow. Wow. Let's go. I want to see a nice 50% retracement today. I'd love to see us come down from the bottom of the day here. I'd love to see this like 30,000 and 50. I'm still going to try this. We get down to this 30,000 and 50. I'm still trying this area. It would take a lot of aggressive selling to get me to not take that. Personally, I am more than likely still going to try that setup. So if you guys are just learning, one of the best things you can do for yourself is be able to identify where you want to enter beforehand, what size you're going to use, and what the game plan is, where your risk is. So for me, I'm like, all right, this is our 50% retracement. We have that 15-minute high support area here. If I enter this trade in this zone, I already know that my risk is going to be below this 30,000 right here. That's already mapped out. It's already planned, so I don't have to think when it comes time to put all those moving pieces into play. You just do it. You just execute. The best and most profitable traders in the world all are able to execute with minimal emotion because they plan their trades ahead of time. I marked the key level. I marked the risk. I know how much monetary I'm risking and how many points I'm risking. I know my profit targets. I know exactly what my confirmations are. In this case, it would be that previous day high. It'd be that 15-minute high. And it would be the fact that it's our 50% retracement of the entire day in an uptrend. So then when price gets down there, I don't have to guess about my entry. I can take my mouse, click the buy button, and enter with confidence that I'm either A, going to have a small loss, or B, have a nice, systematic, high probability win. That's the important part of executing, and how you're going to get more confident in yourself is when you can explain it and put it into words and execute it over and over and over again. Dun, 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 dun. What's ES doing? Pushing. That 2 bar is pushing on ES. ES said, I'll take that 2 bar happily. That was the one. Need to make $500 back? That mindset will make you lose another $500. You don't need to make anything today. You need to follow your plan. You need to trade a system. It's pretty normal for NQ and ES to move together, but they can diverge at times, and that's a riskier setup, in my opinion, when you trade it. Don't. Nope. That ES is pumping. That would have been the one. Don't. I got these 5 take profit trader evals that we are working towards passing to. We're max funded with Lucid, max funded with FFF. Live account, he already knows my favorite. I gotta take some money from Take Profit Trader now that we're partnered. Third day of no trades. No, that's okay. TPT paid me out. I'm so happy you picked them up. Let's go. Yep, $2. I made 600 on ES. Thank you. I'm done for the day. Let's go. Let's get it. Thank you for the $1.99. Just short of $2. I'll be going to McDonald's dollar menu today. Jdun, why is the chart so boring? Well, it's not even the good boring either. It's just aggressive move up. I actually liked that 30,000 bounce. It just happened in the first 15 minutes, so I followed my plan. The $3 menu. I can't even get that. Come on. At least put me into the $3 menu. Come on, man. $2 is more than 90% of traders made today. Chasing, trying to short the tops, maybe. Hopefully that's something I've been able to help you guys with too, is not thinking, hey, look at us pushing up. We can't go any higher. You know, I know a lot of beginner traders think, oh my gosh, price is moving up so fast. I have to short here because we have to go back down. Well, if that's the case, you're probably getting burned here, 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 and here. So being able to give you guys a more trend-based approach where you only trade reversals when it's valid saves you a lot of money in the long term. Mr. Jack said, Jdun, I'm going to crash out because I missed the 2-bar and it's never going to come back. I missed it now. I cannot feed my family and I cannot pay my bills. Well, I promise you, my friend, you can catch the 2-bar again because it's high probability, high repeatable, systematic setup. So you must come in and trade smart, trade safe, and keep your discipline intact every single day. And if you do that and you do it well, you'll be able to find the next profitable setup. But only if you keep focused with your D to the O to the D, the discipline to the over dopamine. Let's see if we get anything else, guys. Let's go. D to the O to the O to the D. Now this action sucks. We're accepting 30K, so this might give us continuation to the upside for the rest of the week, for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. I'm hoping so. Jeez Louise, now that 2-bar is paying. Now the 2-bar is going. This might be another one. This actually could be a decent one. So, Mr. Gene? People that complain about watching this just long it. I always say that. It's like, you want to trade, go trade. You don't got to get my permission. You don't have to hear Jdun say, all right, I give you permission to go press the buy button. You want to trade, go trade. As long as it's repeatable, systematic, and high probability, I'm down. No volume on this either. Yep, it's time for some Enter Sandman. It's time for some Enter Sandman. This is your 1 hour in the market open reminder to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. You are more than your impulses and your urges to overtrade or revenge trade and boredom trade and tilt trade. You've seen glimpses of your profitable self. Keep it intact, my friends. Appreciate you guys supporting the stream. Everything I try to do for you guys every day and using code JDUN. Real ones use code JDUN when you're trading with prop firms, Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, FFF, Funded Next, and Take Profit Trader. Appreciate you guys rocking with me, supporting the stream. Let's get it. Don't know. Yep, trend day up. We're moving. I'm watching gold now. Even if I was, I don't call it gold on live. People just cook themselves. Sitting on these lives, trading on these live tradings has helped me so much with my discipline. That's awesome. That means the world. Maybe this will give us a nice 2-bar. Just exploding. All right, guys. I got to piss like a racehorse again. Hopefully, I'm back in time for this 2-bar. I'll be right back. Holy moly! All right. Jdun, it's been real. It's been fun. I think it's time for Jacob to come out, catch a banger. All right, guys. Glasses are on. We can see. It's banger time. Yep, I will watch for this 2-bar setup, guys. Around 240s. Your stops have to be like 225. Let's say 245, 225. You could even add a little more breathing room to like 220. That being said, look at what this chart has done today. We've had literally no pullback, so just beware. To the upside, I always say that I find the 2-bar a bit more risky. I like them more to the downside. I think they're better systematically to the downside. But I'm still potentially down to try it. Yeah, 240. I mean, I like it. Here's my game plan is if we go down to like 240s, potentially trying along in here, depending on how we look. Stops like 225s. That could be a very fast stop out. It's not a lot of points, so you just take that for what it is. I'd rather see a deeper pullback. Jdun never trades. Never. I'm a professional watcher. Huh. Jdun. All right, guys. I'm watching this right here. It's higher risk, but I am watching it for a 2-bar long. Trying a piece of 2-bar longs. Higher risk. Higher risk could get smoked. 244. So less risk for me, guys. I'd rather see us. I'd personally rather see us come down to like 200 or ideally that 15-minute high, but I did try the 2-bar long here. Light size with micros. 244 with risk down to 224. Might get cooked. If we get cooked, it's the market's fault. It's trying so far. It's trying. On uptrend days like this, it's not great right there. I'd rather see us pull down to like the 50% retracement. I don't like that we close this candle red right here. Not ideal with the volume and such. I mean, it still technically can be valid, but you know my plan. It's up 10 points right now. I'd like to see at least 20. High day at like 267. Yep. It's up 10 points. It's only 20 points of risk, too, so going on to 224, I'll stop out. And I'll lose, and then it's Grizzly's fault. 15 points. Need high a day, though. Need high a day to trim. Need high a day to trim. But at least it's the right idea. It didn't just go and stop immediately, so even if it gets stopped out, it was the right idea. It went up from 244 to, what is that, 259. Not what you want to see with that rejection up there, but we're chilling. My risk on this is managed, so we will be all right, even if it stops. In a perfect world, so drag this down to 224. Here we go. I'd rather see us come down, and I have a hard stopping at 224, just so you guys know. I'd rather see us test in here like 30,050. That'd be the best setup. I had high hopes for this 2-bar, and it's just failing us. But I had semi-high hopes. This is the area I liked, guys. You can put your stops at 224. The lowest I'd like my stops is like 220. On any time I took a position like this, 20, 25 points of risk. It's not looking super great. We've had no pullbacks today, so it could get cooked. Any 2-bar to the upside is a bit higher risk, in my opinion. Just how it goes. I like them more personally to the downside. I find they move faster. They're a bit higher probability. We're not seeing that continuation. We saw like 15 points initial move up, almost to high a day, but not to high a day. Therefore, could not take any profit. Green is not just green. If I'm risking 20, I want to make 20. If I'm risking 30, I want to make 30. Come on. Going down with the sickness. Be up with the sickness. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't give me a 20-point L to start the day. I pushed high day. Just give us a pushed high day. $243.60 is my exact entry. So 20. And what? We'll put my stops are directly and putting them right at 30,220. So 23 points of risk. Less than I usually like. Had them at 24, but we'll put them at flat 220. Minimal size. On my live account, we're keeping half risk on. I'm not going to add anything else to this trade. I don't love that we're not getting follow through. I think it's possible that we push up, but I'm going to try to catch the trend. It's the first actual spot we've seen. We only have less than 25 points of risk. We'll see. It's not looking super great. That doesn't look great either. Maybe we just consolidate and move, but this is not looking how I want it to look, guys. So we'll see. I'm risking a half risk on. Come on, man. Don't do me like this. If this does get stopped, the only other position I have to watch is either A, potentially this like 200 bounce. B, if we get some high volume reversal looking for a short, it'd take a lot to get that. Or C, if we get this like 30,050 area bounce. But the 2-bar is failing, guys. I have my hard stops right at 220. So I have 1 mini or 10 micros on. So we'll see if it's diet. Gosh dang it. I got stopped out, guys. 490. Watch it just freaking rip now. Watch it just freaking go insane. Watch it just freaking go insane now. If we get a high volume push too, I'll try it again. I'll watch for that continuation. I think it still could go. That being said, I'm not going to rush in anything else. So tried one piece of the 2-bar to the upside. Higher risk, naturally, with upside and no pullbacks. If we got some sort of confirmation here, could try it again, but honestly, I'd rather see a deeper pullback. It's okay. Part of the game. I'm going to be a little frustrated if it wicks down even further. And, oh, I swear, if it does that. Like, at least go down now. At least give us a push down to, like, 200. That'd be fine. I'll take 23 points to the chin if we push down further. If we just wick down, what is that? 3 points past 220, then move. I'm going to be a little bit salty. Not a lot salty, just a little salty. You got here? Why? Oh, nice. All right. See ya. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't do it. Go ahead and fail down. Give us a deeper retracement. Yeah. You still in? You gonna hold it? Welcome to the clown show. He's been waiting for that one all day. May God bless you. It took you an hour and 15 minutes. But you got to say welcome to the grand showing of the primetime Dark Knight the next time I win, which is almost every day. This 2-bar is probably going to end up working. It just had a little more pullback, you know? It's all a risk game. If we would have had that continuation there, mind you, I risked 23. It was up 15, almost there, but just didn't quite get there. Now we wait for an A+ setup deeper. If it's either A around here or B in a perfect world, we'd see a retracement down into here that 50% of the day and then move up. That's what we'd see in a perfect world. It's not a perfect world, but in a perfect setup, that's what we'd see. Don't. If it seems obvious for short, then short it. Try it. Could work. It's possible you're fighting the trend with no clear volume confirmation. Maybe this gives you it, but for me, I take stabs. And if I can risk 20 to potentially make 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then I'll do it. Following the trend. We need the mask. Don't. Let's see here. This maybe this sells into giving us a bigger pullback for a better long. You're an okay trader, not the best. What these? It's so funny. We pray for the haters, and they come out of nowhere. Anytime there's a tiny loser, they come out of nowhere. It's literally, they watch the whole stream for weeks. Where you can win every day. When you finally lose, they come out of the woodworks. But we love them. We pray for them. They need it. I mean, they have to look in the mirror every day and live that life, which is already, punishment enough. And so, waking up, being negative in the sad life, you got to pray for them. It's very sad. May God bless you. I hope you crushed in your trading. I hope you caught the whole move up. Or if you trade with me every day, because you're here waiting. They know we win every day, almost every day. I still think we could win today. I still think there could be a chance for a good trade. I'm going to wait. I'd like to see a deeper retracement to like 200. This would still be a little higher risk. In a perfect world, we'd push down and find a retracement in here. Our 50% area for the entire day is at this 30,060. Pretty much every day. 80 to 85% of days we win. Most days. Let's see what this ends up giving. I still think it wants to find some more upside, but it might not be till a deeper retracement. It's possible. Not 3 reds and 1 green this week. That is just fake news. One green yesterday, 2 greens the day before, 1 small red, and then 1 small red on Monday. That I get. We'll see if we can find one more trade. If not, we'll end the day with slightly red. About you. I always tell people, I'm like, yo, just go watch the recordings. It's all on YouTube every single day. 2 green trades yesterday, not break even. Stops at break even after selling some and profiting, but not break even. Go watch the recording. Don't take it from me. Go watch the recording. It's all on there. Every day. Rented GT2RS for a reason. Yup. It's rented. That'd be more of a flex probably than owning it. You know how expensive that car would be to rent every day? Very. I still think we want to push up. To you. Let's get it. Not a losing streak. Green yesterday, green the day before. Slightly green, but green. Only one trade yesterday. It was a winner. 30 to 40 points, stops at break even. That's a win. You know, they hate because we're the #1 live stream in the world. You know, people love to hate and bring sadness, and, you know, misery loves company. They just think can't get it from us, and it drives them crazy. Every other stream, they got streamers yapping at them and saying mean things and insults. I just tell them I love them and we'll pray for them. You know? God bless you. Jesus loves you. Oh. #1, baby. That's what we do. We got over 1,000 watching in Team Bowl. We got over 1,000. Like what? We got tops like almost 2,000 on YouTube, and we got over 1,000 on TikTok. #1. #1, baby. We got 3 streams going. It's funny. All these people come in and talk about other streams, but they're still watching here because they know we're #1. You wouldn't be watching here if you didn't know we weren't the best. You know, it's funny. I mean, I don't blame you being here. I love helping you win. You can't hate me when I want to see you win too, baby. You know, it is what it is. I love helping y'all win. We're the best. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see what else we can get. We're at that previous whole site number 200. We'll see if this gives us a entry or not. Depends how we react. Don't know. I'm a happy man because I have Jdun as my mentor. And let's go. I still think that 30,060 would be great. I don't know if we get there in the time we have to trade, but that'd be a great area for a retest. I'd be a very happy man if we got that. Was there a catalyst for this pump? It's just technicals. You know, we break above 30,000. There's a good chance we want to keep moving up. You the best. Let's go. I appreciate you, bro. DOD. That's how we do. DOD. I love your style of trading, your personality, your pep, your discipline, and now I'm loving the morning prayers before we start. That's one thing I've been missing each day, so I appreciate you. Let's get it. Appreciate you, bro. It's not a trend, so 2 bars isn't valid. That two bar up here is great. It'll work sometimes, but it's just an uptrend. It's a little riskier. You know, we almost got to the high day. Maybe we find a higher low here. This 200 area could be a bounce. That's what I was watching, but just to know your name. Do my best. Let's see. Come on. I'd rather see us sell, get some profit taking, and move down to those key levels. That's what I would rather see. I'll let you guys know if I take anything else. We got about 30, 45 more minutes. Jdun system has not only gotten me paid, but it's rubbed off onto my training in the gym, and I've been killing it. Delayed gratification is key, y'all. As a trader, you don't just log on and win every day. Facts. Most days, but not every day. I'm leaving without you. Yes, is making a good push down. Yep, I think we'll be able to find something. I'm confident. Yes is pushing down. Let's see how the NASDAQ 15-minute chart looks. Well, that looks very bearish. That looks very, very, very bearish. See if we can get a solid volume 15-minute candle too. Just don't know now. I'd say you can short, just be careful. We've had an aggressive uptrend. If you're trading trends, you're fighting the trend. So just be careful. Just be careful if you're shorting. It could work. You could crush it. You could catch a massive reversal. Just be careful. Have your risk managed. It's not confidential. I've got potential. The shorts could hit. It's possible. We're just aggressively uptrending, so you got to be careful. That's all. You just got to be careful. That's all. When you're fighting the trend, make sure you have a clear stop. You're going to fight the trend, that's fine. You can get some really nice moves with the reversals, but you just make sure you can repeat it, and your risk is fixed. Trying it. And it's still my fault. I think the long's going to pay too. We get a higher volume reversal. I'll try it with you. I'll try it and I'll put stops below this Candle low here. Don't. If you enter now, you're gambling. Not if you have an A+ setup. Not if your risk is managed. All right, guys, let's see. Let's get it. No continuation there. What time frame am I on? The 5 minute. Let's see here. See, this is starting to look like a decent short setup if we close this candle down here. If we close the candle down here, it doesn't look half bad. I love trading with you. I love trading with you, bro. Let's see if we can get a solid short setup here. Let's see if we can get a nice short setup here. Don't. Don't. I have made nothing today. Oh, this doesn't look half bad for a short. I hate shorting the trend, but I don't trust it yet. Yeah, I don't trust it fully. Don't. Let's see what we get here, everybody. It's my Lambo and STO. No, it's a Huracan Storado. Don't. Now they do what they told you. In a traditional sense, these candles don't look bad for rejection. We have aggressive, push down, even further aggressive push down, retest into it. It's just tough to short this uptrend. When am I entering? I have not entered yet. Getting anxious. I'm literally chilling. Chilling and vibing and waiting and wanting an A+ setup. I'd love to see a pullback down to that 60 area. Don't. Call me crazy. I actually, with these 5-minute candles, I like downtrend with these 5-minute candles. It's about all that says downtrend, but I think it's possible. I'll let you guys know if I take anything. Well, only looking at these last 3 candles, I like push down. If I zoom out the day, it's like, well, everything's aggressively up. So it takes a lot of confirmation for me to go short. Never understood what people meant by trading is boring until I started trading correctly. Yup. That's facts. Don't know. That's why I haven't taken anything yet from that side of the spectrum. And being consistently profitable is great. It's all about having the right system with it. If you don't have the right system, then boring or exciting, you're never going to make money long term. You have the right system, you develop the right habits, then good things can happen for you and for your trading. I want this. There we go. What's a good sign there? Dun. To be with you. All right, let's see. Come on. Pump it for him. What's your entry at? Nice. It's right around there. Do you consider your... Do I consider myself a momentum trader? Not quite. I mean, I trade with momentum, but like not breakout momentum. There's a few different ways to classify momentum trading. Oh, come on. Give us something. Just trying to think we're going to have Chop City. We might. It's possible. Might just be an 0 for 1 day for me. I tried a long and it got stopped earlier. I mean, it was small. It's 23 points for the 2-bar, but I don't look at it as having to force anything. I choose DOD and wait, and if an A+ setup comes, that's great. If not, then we live to trade another day. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. Don't. Hey, Jacob, it's Angelo. You came to my family's butcher shop last year for the A5 Wagyu. Just want to say I actually went through with the trading and you helped me get funded. That's awesome. Let's go. Barely will win yesterday. I made more yesterday than I lost today. Just saying. Made more yesterday than I lost today. Yeah, but it was a tiny L today, literally. 70% win rate strategy, 80%. I would say it's probably closer to 70, 60 to 70 on the upside. It's higher on the downside. For 2 bars to the downside versus 2 bars to the upside. Just sideways right now, just waiting. Just stalling. It's got about 15, 20 more minutes for me. The 2 bars to the downside just work better. They just do. Do. It all depends on your sizing, how many points you get, how you manage your risk, and the setup. There's a lot of different variables that go into your trading. As a reminder, if you are trading with prop firms, you can use code Jdun for the best possible discount. I come on and try to help you guys to the best of my ability every day, win, lose, or draw. Stay disciplined, keep small losses and big wins. We'll see what this gives us up here. We're just stalling. I mean, after a solid move up, it's not surprising. We'll see what it ends up giving us today. Holy quant trader, yup. The ultimate quant. ES is crashing. DOD dopamine over discipline. That's how some of y'all be, but it doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have to be that way. Does not have to be that way. You're still short? I'm still tall. Power hour could be good. It could be. We're just chopping right now. We'll see. I got a bit longer. See if we can catch something else. Otherwise, it'll just be 0-4-1. That first 30-minute or 15-minute in the 15-minute range, test of 30,000 looked decent, but we were just too early in the day. So this would have been nice. No pullbacks. We finally get 1-2 bar, and it just doesn't quite work out. Goes up and then goes down. Is what it is. On days where we slowly grind up, especially if it starts grinding up on lower volume, not my favorite type of the day. Why didn't I take short and reversal? What short? We haven't had any clear reversals. I mean, if you top ticked it here, you can, but I don't do that. I don't trade like that. Jdun, gold trade. Nah, even if I found a gold trade, I wouldn't call it out. People lose their butt trading gold on here. It's thinking about it. That looks good. It looks decent here. Looks decent. Got that 5-minute confirmation. I'm going to add a small piece of longs with you. 220 area, right? I'm going to start my position right here, guys. Small piece of longs. My last try. Let's pull back. 5-minute confirmation. If I lose this, I'm probably done for the day. I'll take two. I'll take two small losses and be done. Only reason is I want to see it. I'd like to see a pullback to like 220 here, but 215 to 220. We have this high volume 5-minute off of this pivot here off 200. So that's why I tried it. Last chance to. I got one ad. If we go below this 200 area, I will stop and I will be crowned the loser of the day. The haters will have their heyday. Yep, 220 area. I would have rather seen like 215. But just a small size. Just small size for me again. Don't copy me. Don't take it. How about that? That's also saying don't copy me. Don't take it. Do the opposite. Just one more small size. If we end up trending up on lowering volume or we don't follow through with this, then it'll just be a red day for me. And that's okay. But this is the area, like 220 stops at 190, right below 200, 194. So don't take this long until the candle closes. If we got some aggressive candle up here, like 240s and 250s, I would likely just put my stops at break even at that point. So last attempt for me. Following the trend. High volume push off this. Got a slight pullback to close to 220. Didn't quite get there. Yeah, I tried a long on the pullback. Do the opposite. There, I'll start saying that. Let's go check on what the S&P is doing too. Potentially finding a higher low, but not quite. If you want 10 to 15 points, there you go so far. There's your baby move. Almost 20 points. If we can keep pushing. Just not seeing a lot of follow through. Might take some time. Might take some time. Or it might just not work at all. We went from like 220 around in that area up to 240 here. It's thinking about it. Not the type of candle I love to see. It's not the worst, but not the best. I will take my crown of loser today of 2 losing trades if I lose. I will take my crown. I'll wear it with pride. I'll put the clown mask on. But only half size, so it'll be around $1,000 in the live account. If we lose today, if I lose, it's everyone's fault but my own. It's the market's fault. It's probably the right idea. Probably the right idea failing this push up. We went 20 points, but I'm going to follow my rules. I'm going to take my loser crown if it hits my stop loss. I'm not going to close it early. It might hit. That's okay. I'll put the clown mask on, and I'll take it if it hits stop. The only other trade I would potentially take if I don't leave before is if we got... It would be a while. I'd probably leave before. Would be moved down to like 30,060. We might just chop in here. It's back at entry, everybody. It's at entry right now. I still have a feeling even if we do go up, it's going to just be real slow. We'll see. It's back green. on now. Push us up. Wick down and no! Don't do it! No! I'm still in 194, guys. So you're so close. Okay, liquidity sweep now. Move. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. It's on life support. No! Promise is a promise, guys. Where is it? Where is it? Gene, where is it? Promise is a promise. I swear, if we sweep and then rip up, I'm done. If we sweep that and rip up, I'm done. I'm calmly crashing out. I swear, at least send us in a downtrend. At least send us in a downtrend. That's fine. If we downtrend now and go down to our bounce rate, it's fine. Don't you dare sweep and send us back up. I'd rather see us push down and die and say, well, the setup was valid. See, there we go. That makes me a little happier. This makes me a little happier now that we're pushing down. If we sweep and then move up, I'm going to be very, very, very salty. Wow. All right, officially, guys, we are down 846.80 to be exact. Just under 1,000 on the live account. I am down 3 nice steak dinners at Eddie V's. I'm more than likely done. We're only down about half risk today, not even half. I have one more position I will watch. If we go down into here, it's a ways away, I will watch for one more trade. Other than that, I am done. And if we end up ripping up, I am going to actually calmly crash out. That is it. That's the great. You're out of here?
Yeah.
I promised the haters I'd wear my clown mask. If it ends up wicking and then going, I'm so done. I can't believe it. It was looking so good. Went from 20 to 40. Went 20 points, almost 20 points twice. And then just died. Said nope. All right, I'll keep this on for 2 more minutes. So you get 2 more minutes. They get the win today. The only other trade that I like is that 30,060 area. There's 50% retracement in here. 30,050 to 30,070. That's all. The only other thing I like. We're just chopping around here. Maybe it ends up getting a reversal in this area. It's possible. But I more than likely will not be a part of it. It's fine. We're fine. I'm not going to be fine, though, if we frickin' rip. I want to see us at least tank now. Like, show me my stop loss was valid. At least do that. At a bare minimum. Don't. Well, there's a few reasons. For one, when people type and do that, they don't realize that they're helping the stream grow, and therefore they're helping me make more money. So I also want to see him win genuinely. Like, you know, anyone who goes on the internet as a hater, as a grown man, is probably not very happy with their life. And so I, as a Christian man, pray for these people and want to see them win. You know? I'm more than likely done for the day. more than likely done. We'll see. Maybe there's a chance where we get one more setup down here, but more than likely going to be done. Could be shorts. I'd be cautious with how aggressive prices moved today. We've moved up. What is that? 866 to like 400 points. More than likely, we're going to find somewhere to find a higher low. That being said, it's not possible. It's not impossible that we completely retrace. Follow plan. Yep. I mean, you guys watch it every day. You come in every single day, days, weeks, months. Like we win almost every day. It's one of the days where I haven't won. You know, it's all math. It's like basketball. You know, the best shooter in the world, Steph Curry, your guys' favorite GOAT, not the GOAT, but your guys' favorite GOAT, comes in, and if he misses a 3 or 2, it's not the end of the world. You know? Grizzly did get out in time. I followed my stop loss, though. I'll always take, if you can take stabs and try to catch more trend moves, that's how you win long term. Things. What's up? Is for the LeBron James. I think we could get a reversal. It's possible. I'd still like to see this area down here. If we hit this, I think we'll see a really nice bounce. It wouldn't surprise me. Have some profit taking down to this like 30,070 area. If I did try that, if we got down there and I lost that, that would be my last trade of the day. That would be strikeout. That'd be 3 strikes and you're out, even with another small loss. That would be 3 strikes and you're out. All right, let's see. We're getting close to that VWAP area. This would be the only last trade that I took. That'd be it. And if I lost that, it would just be 3 strikes, you're out, done for the day. It'd be 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out of the trading NASDAQ game. That would be it. That'd be done. That'd be it for me. That'd be it for me. Keeping DOD. Wherever small losses and big wins. I would love to see a lot of the internet go to Wall Street trading floors for a day. It'd be funny. It's one of the traders would take one loss and be like, "Oh my gosh, you suck." Yeah, we'll see. I still believe it could be nice. Still believe that 50% retracement bounce could be nice. VWAP, we have a lot of confirmation there. This is the final area, everybody. The last hurrah. Howdy. Why not shorts are on 180? You could. You just have to have stops above like 230. The last area I like for longs is it's down here. So we'll see. We'll see if it gives it to us. I had this hot stone last night. It was so fire. So fire. That A5 Wagyu and the hot stone, man. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Yes, 2-bar did pay. For sure. It's interesting. We actually have ES leading the way too. We're pretty heavily selling off. We didn't respect that 15-minute high at all. Why? I never trade YM ever. Ever. Today. YM's pretty solid. Yeah, Brandon trades it sometimes. Just to longs. I mean, it could be good. Could be a good idea. I'd rather see us push down a little farther. Rather see us push down into this 60 to 70 area. It might just consolidate too. We'll see. Whew. All right, come on. The think indicator says it's not working today. Don't. I would love that 30,000 to 50 area. I just don't think we're going to get it. Let's see if we push up here. That's all. That's the last thing I would take. That's the last thing I'd take. I need to replace my batteries. Yep, it's one of those days. It's a very long game of trading. How I look at it is I could lose my next 10 trades and still be fine. Could lose my next 20 trades and still be fine. My confidence would be hurting pretty bad, but monetary wise, I'd be just fine. Don't. Yeah, that's me today for sure. We're not short here. You could. The trend is still up. You got to remember that. I'm not saying you can't catch reversals, but you just got to be careful. If you're going to short, then have your risk. Woo! Clearly managed. Don't. Just activated my first funded. Nice. That's awesome. I like this area. I like the 15-minute 30,000, 50 to 30,000 and like 70. I think it's going to take some time to get there, but if I lost that, I'd be done. I'd say, you know what? I take it to the chin. I'll take my red day. I'll pay my rent for my trading today, and I'll move on to the next good day. That's just the reality of what we do. If you can't accept the loss in the red, you don't get to experience the wins. I will potentially try longs if we get down to this whole area where we have support. Hard stop saved me 2K today. Thank you, DOD. Nice. It's awesome. That would be my last try. If I lose that, then today's not my day, even if it's a small loss. Like, even if I took it, stopped at break even, or slightly lost, I'd be done for the day. Don't. Come on, push it down. Give us like 60 and give us a move back into like 200. Otherwise, if I don't get that, if it doesn't give an entry, I will be 0 for 2 on the day. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Short of that. All right. Might work. It's possible. It's possible. Clean that up. There we go. Oof. Come on. It's either going to make me wait for longer and give a great setup and I'm going to earn that green, or it's going to make me wait longer just to be more red. Or it's not going to do it at all. Oh, no. We get to the 60 area. I'm going to try it. Guys. It's been my last trade. I'll be 0 for 3 if I lose. If I take another trade and lose, I will be 0 for 3, and I will for sure 100% be done for the day. And no I don't think I'm going to stream Asia, but if I do, I likely won't take any trades or put on any risk. Hopefully it just doesn't bounce to 100 area. I like the 60 area. I got to pee like a freaking racehorse. So I'm going to put, in case of some emergency, I'm going to put an order in to buy at 60. I'll be right back. Be right back. All right. We're still pushing down. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on, man. We probably have like 30,000 area stop loss with 60 entry. The chart is NQ. Come on, man. Don't do us like that. Give this area. Come on. I will go all in. I won't go all in, but I will go normal size. If we can get our A plus entry here. So banger trade to the downside. Nice. That's good. That's great. I love fibs. I use fibs every day. Every single day. I had to cancel that order. I sold that sitting order. It's moving with conviction. We'll see. Go to our daily chart here. Yeah, if we sell all of this off, that would be extremely bearish for the day. $50 to like 65 areas where I like. I mean, you could try it here, but it's just high risk. There's a lot of confirmations down in this circled spot down here. Damn, that's crazy. ES is almost at low day. We're below our 15-minute low. Or 15-minute high, excuse me. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQita. I stayed around for an extra bit for you. Don't make me sit around for nothing. It might just indeed make us sit around for nothing. Bounce that 100 area and just move. Point of control is the highest volume point on the selected time frame. Yep. Highest volume point on the selected time frame. As a reminder, guys, if you want to get funded, trade futures, and get the best possible deal, go to teambull.com. I made a website just for you guys to compare prop firms, find the best deal and the best rules for you, and to get funded on all of our partners. Come on, don't bounce. This is the bounce I wanted to see, just like a little lower, just a tad bit lower. Figured it has gotten a little bit lower. Yeah, it might be it. But if I take anything else, it's going to be really high probability. Man, don't you do it. We're also at that 30-minute high. 30-minute orb is right here. I had high confidence in that. The first 2 bars in, but I thought that second one was really going to at least push to 1-1. Nothing. Wow. This is what I wanted to see. Just 40 points lower. Why couldn't they give us that? It's not my best trading day. It's all right. I'm still on stream. What up? All right. Bye. Should I take that long? I wanted to see us move lower, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. It might just be an over 2 day for me. Yeah, right way, just a little off timing. That's okay. You know, unfortunately, can't have 100% win rate. Can have close. Hey, but on the bright side, we're training at the office tomorrow, so we rarely lose there. Rarely. By rarely, I mean we almost never. We have never lost on a Friday trading there. I've lost trades and I've had red sessions on my own there, but with students on Fridays, never. This is the bounce I wanted to see. I just wanted to see us go a little lower and then go up. That's awesome, Wes. Well, have fun, my man. Family first always. That's great. My kid starts preschool next week, man. Crazy. Freaking preschool. So what's your win rate? Well, today 0%, but usually 70 to 80%. Yeah, today I sucked, but it's okay. Kid starts preschool soon. I may have to go tour the school. I like homeschool too, man, but I also was. He's really, really young. I just want him to be around other kids. So he'll likely be in private school K through 12. I just posted 0 for 2 day for me, but kept it contained. Both trades went small into profit, but did not reach the threshold to take any actual profits. Green is not. What's up, guys? Green is not green. Live to trade another day. Always DOD. If you guys want to take a trade with me tomorrow, too, remember we still got Apex at 90% off. I like the 50K trade of 8 end of day drawdown accounts if you're looking for a prop from to trade with. We just had a student get paid out yesterday by them, approved for, what was that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You get 40,000, excuse me. Or 36,000. It's only 18, not 20. $36,000 payout for the boulder. Man, I really wanted to see this. This is the bounce I wanted to see. It's just 40 points lower. It's frustrating, but it's all right. I'm Christian. Yep. We pray every day before stream. It's became in the last week and some change. It's became something that people have came to look forward to. I really like doing. I'm glad to have you guys there early every day at market open. At 2 minutes before market open, we pray every day. Pray over our stream, pray over our day, pray for the strength and the resilience through losses and the humbleness and wins. See, now it's a little more sketchy too to try that bounce. I like that. Gonna tune in for prayer tomorrow. That's awesome. You should. Am I really DMing the real Jdun? The only place you can ever DM me that I will respond, and it will be me, is my verified Instagram of Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. It's verified. Please do not get scammed. I'll never DM you on Discord. I won't DM you asking you to deposit money into some sketchy broker. Please don't get scammed by fake me's. Please, 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 please. If you guys want access to Team Bull, if you have questions about anything, any services that I offer, if you have questions just about prop firms in general, whatever it is, Jdun Trades on IG. It's verified. Only place I answer DMs. I guess my personal IG too at Jdun. It's just more of my personal life, though. I don't talk about trading there. It's nothing about trading, so I post a lot of value about discipline and life and stuff. I actually am going to get off, though. I was hoping that we'd get this entry in here. Please watch this, guys. If we get down there, watch for the long run, like 60-ish down to 50. Like this whole zone we have marked out. I think there's a chance we find some support here and move up. Or you can use it use it for a support from resistance if we had a massive breakthrough, push up, and then reject. So I'm about to get off and go eat. Now that I get off, we'll probably get a perfect setup. So not my best trading day. Sorry about that. That being said, we will come back strong later or tomorrow and keep small losses and big wins. So hopefully you guys will manage your risk. Hopefully, I know a lot of you guys traded on your own. Hopefully you ended up green. Hope you all had a great day. And I'll see you guys later. Appreciate y'all being a part of Team Bull. I'll see y'all later, everyone. God bless. Peace. TikTok, I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. Trade live every single day. Win, lose, like today, or draw. It's all live. It's all transparent. It's all recorded. So appreciate you guys being here and also checking out the YouTube. I'm live on YouTube every day as well. Jdun Trades. You get full screen share. I trade live simultaneously with TikTok on YouTube. I give you guys a bunch of game for free. If you guys would like to compare prop firms to get funded and find the best fit for you, check out teambull.com. Teambull.com to find the best fit of a prop firm for you. It's teambull.com. So, all right, guys. God bless each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you all. Potentially power hour, probably not. But later for Asia maybe, and then for sure tomorrow morning. Peace, everyone. Bye.